Another important question, find the matrix X if 2 1 3 minus 3 plus X is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 1 2. We will subtract this matrix as X will become 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 3 minus 3. Now for subtraction, first element of second matrix is subtracted from first element of first matrix. So we will get 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 2 minus 3. Four minus 2 we will get 2, it will become minus 3, it will become minus 4 and minus 2 plus 3. So X will be finally equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4 and 1. That is our requirement. Thank you.